Wonder shall never end, my people. The kind things where they happen now, it dey surprise me. And this one, they come from inside Ebonyi. They just arrest 2 women and they catch these women with 2 sets of twins. This woman carry children all the way from Ebonyi, put them inside sack. They don't even forget, say these children, they alive. Sack wey be say hit them, and they tumble these children, put inside. Say they won't carry and go Lagos, go sell. It be like saying at the head of these twins, now I catch them, this woman, where they come bust them like this. My people who never watch this one, they can follow me, see.
Madam, what do they inside that bag? Eh? Now, baby, who put that baby inside there? Who beat you? Now you put her. Somebody beat her. You put her, can't they go where? No, they go give you auntie. I better remove that pikin from inside that bag. Remove that pikin from inside that bag. Remove that pikin from inside that bag. Remove that pikin. Madam, now person, this kid is still there alive. He's still there alive. And you put her inside bag. I take part of this. I take part. You, even this one. The pikin there too. I remove her from inside bag. Remove her from inside bag. Remove her from inside bag. Remove her. Remove her from inside bag. Remove her from inside bag. Remove her from inside bag. Remove her from inside bag.
Nothing where we no go see you. Innocent souls. I don't know why some people be like this. How many old babies? Because if you now look these children, I'm not even sure say they don't reach 1 week. Now you will come decide say among everything, now you won't carry. And now only God knows what they do to the mother of these babies. Better don't go kill her, drop her for somewhere before they thief this woman picking. But some people get mind though. Because I don't see why you a mother, 2 women. In which one I know the kind of pain where we say women they go through to even get belly born. You come decide say you won't pay your fellow woman with wickedness. You can't go thief in picking. And people say for they buy this children, I don't understand which kind of mind don't I get. Adoption places they on no go adopt again. They want to be say person suffer born now consent person make it go thief make they come carry. I wish say was the person who won't even buy this pikin, they go investigate, arrest that person safe. Because I did very certain say this woman no be in first time. The 2 of them no be their first time. This one be say she dey cry like say she won't die. No be her first time when she don't do this, she don't do one since. It just be say they never catch them. And this one, I make me know like no, na village people follow now. Because how na go put pikin, if say na even get sense, or na go even back the pikin normally, can't like say na own pikin. But this one na put inside akpo. I beg na don't forget say na human being dey there. You think say the pikin no go cry, be no go move body, and they no go notice. As they come search now, they come they cry. This one they cry say na devil. I beg which devil? Devil na can call you from your house, make you go carry another person pikin. The way people now they very wicked and heartless, especially women, it even make me fear. Because for a mother to do this kind of thing, in fact, it means in Nigeria, it don't go. We don't even get hope again. Innocent babies, twins. How many weeks old picking? That person who is be an cell or be an ritual. No, only God know. But thank God, say they won't catch them this ones. My people, now this one now here, now some they can bring them come. So now go they go on a short break. But before then, make now stay tuned for our next story. This one another disaster. I hear say 1 tanker just fall down burst, and this one they happen inside Apple Junction for inside Festac for Lagos. And right now I hear say diesel don't full everywhere. For those of now be say now they pass along that they talk say making a day very very extra careful because we don't know how many now make something no come go cause fire for them now everywhere go come explode. But I know what they shock me about this matter. As we come outside now, they want people say make people no go there. Now people go carry keg. Say they won't go they park with they pour food for ground. For my people who never watch this one, they can follow me see. I know they understand Nigerians. I beg when we go wise up, when we go get sense at all. One thing we go talk about 100 times. How many times we don't announce say if tanker fall be something happen? Maybe people come up from that place. Maybe the thing no can cause any explosion, but we can't say a fire outbreak don't happen. But instead of these people, these nonsense Nigerians, when we say they go run for their lives, now they run. Say they won't go they pack what they put for them. I beg if one match lights now just drop for them, I beg what you want talk. If say fire can't happen for them, now all of them come burn into ashes now. What you go talk? I can't hear some people they talk this you know they highly flammable. You know they flammable, but they packable. It be like so I don't know what happen for Sierra Leone, where 98 people just burn into ashes. Now this same thing, no. Where we say this will they leak before they go see another tanker don't come jam up. Now so fire just stay start. Oh, now no they green land. It be like saying a coconut 9 days inside and our brain as Nigerians. Because I dey surprised we go to complain about one thing every time. Instead of not to change, now we can continue. If bad thing happen, now we can blame fire service. Say fire service not wake up. What about on our citizens? The better thing, the right way so they're supposed to not go down. And I go to ignore. And since why stealing become our nature? Something like this happen on I'm not say this one a person business. Now I'm not even pity the person. All of now rush go they pack. I beg I wanna expect say this person go gain the money back. Fine and good, in do even lose them. So what you come below be say on a go they pack and security they there. Ain't no fit pursue these people now instant they are no be on a road in the country. I mean I wait. Sometimes I feel say we as Nigerians say now we they do ourselves. It go there very good make all of us change you. If not, in fact this one I just the kind things will go to happen, we go shock. But every point now here I go end up on this matter. Soon I go to go on a short break, but before then, make na stay tuned for our next story. Wahala be like bicycle. Hey, I hear say Achimota youths, this one they happen inside Ghana. They don't catch one police officer, and this police officer, aside the normal police work, this man they deal in igbo selling and hard drugs. This one shocked me because I never see where the officer of the law now they supply people with igbo weed and different types of things. This one ain't another kind of level. You will be saying, are you supposed to seize this thing for people? Now you can't go for victim. For my people who never watch this one, you can follow me, see.
Why don't you give it to me? Why don't you give it to me?
Yes, Ghana Online. We define the news.
This is me.
Yes, Ghana Online. We define the news.
Really? I want to take money from you. I want to take money from you. You catch the thing. You put your pocket inside. You take money. Me. See, look my first way. You want me.
Now wow, but I beg as I look this man, on I sure say this one a real officer. Cause the way when they even talk, they even confuse me. On I sure say this one will be drunkard in uniform. Because everything when they talk, it just they talk us upside down. Then they ask them, are you the one supplying the talk saying, did you see me collect any money? Who they ask you about money? They see you in possession of all these kind of things. You did they explain what you will not understand. But I beg you even give this one uniform in the first place. Because they very certain say this man a chronic drunkard. Make we come out the first say he be police. Person will be say he go stand for road. Don't drink or go. Stand there saying they control. Now all this kind of police now they misbehave for road. If you tell them another thing, they go talk another thing. And if no be say these guys arrest hold this man, I sure say if saying hold gun, he go just attack these people. Because with the looks of things, he no even dey in the right senses. Now why they always talk and say police say anywhere they dey for the work, they suppose they do monthly screening for their brain. Because most of them, they know they okay. I don't know why most of them they join the force behind because of the salary where they pay them. Because most of them no get pure mind. Because how you go there, say you won't be police. Now you go on the supply agbero with things. It don't make sense that it not even good at all. And now they very certain say you in a corrupt cop, now you would even give your guns to criminals. May they go they rob. And I should say other corrupt cops now they call themselves, they even day like this. But just be saying they never even catch them. Now why all this kind of one they happen? This one I don't even need to call on IGP. Are they very certain say the man will carry your matter put for head? Are they very certain say by now that your uniform self they don't come out for your body, they don't go drop you one place? Because all of us know say the Ghana IGP, they take nonsense. But begging as a police officer, act according to your work. If there's okay time for work, behave like say you did work. And if you know say one day drink, quit the work, go sit down for your house, turn drunkard. Because this one way you do it never make sense at all. How you will be supposed to address your citizens and now you can't go join them. Anyways, my people, now here I will end up on this matter. Soon I'm going to go on a short break, but before then, you can stay tuned for our next story.